Hey y'all, today we're exploring the new Disney pop-up store at the IKEA in Orlando, Florida. You'll find the IKEA by the Mall of Millenia, a short distance from Universal. This Disney pop-up store at the IKEA is one of just three nationwide. The one in Orlando, there is one in Burbank, California, conveniently located near the Walt Disney Company headquarters. And there's also one in Round Rock, Texas, just outside of Austin. Now, a store employee told me that the Disney pop-up shop will remain at IKEA until about mid to late January. So you have until mid to late January 2026 to check out the store. It is actually on the ground level as soon as you walk in from the parking lot. They have a whole bunch of Stitch merchandise. They have a whole bunch of Minnie and Mickey merchandise, perfect for the holiday season. They have shirts, they have mugs, they have little figurines, they have pictures, they have bags, they have stuffies and plush for the kids. They have Christmas decor, even a Mickey gingerbread house, and some ornaments. Now, one thing to note on prices, the prices were significantly higher than you might be used to at an IKEA. It looked like they were more reflective of Disney merchandise prices. There's certainly, in our opinion anyway, didn't seem to be any huge deals there. Also note that the IKEA family discount, which sometimes works for 10% off of select merchandise at IKEA stores, does not apply at the Disney pop-up shop. Also, any Disney discounts that we had didn't work as well. So you're going to pretty much be paying sticker price for these items, at least before Christmas. And one other note, the IKEA Disney pop-up stores will have slightly different experiences depending on the location. At Orlando, they have a Stitch scavenger hunt where you can see Stitch's paw prints throughout the IKEA showroom. You try to help reunite him with Lilo and eventually get a prize, which turns out to be a free piece of cake from the IKEA restaurant. We have a related short video on that. There's also a holiday drive-in experience at the one in Burbank, California. So be sure to check out the website for your local IKEA or an IKEA in an area you may be visiting for the holiday season. We here at Do It Disney and Beyond hope you enjoyed this video, this short tour of the Disney pop-up at the IKEA store in Orlando, Florida. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, share, follow us on Facebook too for more Disney news, more Universal news, more just travel tips in general. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.